Did you know you can create a 3D animated kids video like this at no cost?
On the night of the full moon, when the world is fast asleep, something magical appears. From the heart of the sky, a glowing silver train emerges, riding on invisible stardust tracks. Its windows shimmer with a soft blue light, and at its front, a golden crescent moon emblem shines brightly.
All aboard the moonlight train.
Inside, the train is like a dream, seats of velvet blue, floating lanterns, and a glass dome ceiling revealing the endless universe above. But suddenly, crack! The cosmic tracks vanish. The train shakes, lost in deep space.
We have to find a way back.
With her,
It almost looks like a Pixar movie, right? In this video, I'll show you how to create something like this using AI tools. This step-by-step guide will take you from an idea to a fully animated video. By the end, you'll have your own animated video that will amaze your audience. Let's turn your imagination into reality. To create an animated video, we'll follow 8 simple steps. The first step is coming up with story ideas. If you already have a story in mind, you can skip this step. But if you need some inspiration, we'll use ChatGPT to generate ideas for your animation. Just type this prompt in ChatGPT, generate creative story ideas instantly for kids. It will give you plenty of ideas to choose from, just pick the one you like the most. I'm going to choose this one, so let's copy it. Great! Now that we have our story idea, let's turn it into a full script. And the best part? ChatGPT will do it for us. Copy the story idea you picked. Open ChatGPT and type this prompt. First, paste the story you chose, then add this text. Expand this into a full 1-minute story with clear scenes, fun characters, and exciting action perfect for 3D animation. Press enter and let ChatGPT work its magic. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated the full story for us. Now that we have our complete story, let's move on to the third step, creating character details. In this step, we'll define the characters' looks, outfits, and personality traits. This will help keep them consistent throughout the video. To get the character descriptions based on your story, type this prompt into ChatGPT, create character details for each character in the story, including their look, outfit, and personality traits. Since ChatGPT already has the story it generated earlier, it will create detailed character descriptions, including their appearance, personality, and clothing. Now that we've successfully created our character details, let's move on to the fourth step, which is generating visual prompts for our story. These prompts will help create the visuals for each scene in our animation. To do this, type the following prompt into ChatGPT, generate highly detailed visual prompts for each scene of the story, ensuring every character and setting detail is captured perfectly for stunning 3D animation. I want to use Hailuo AI, so give me every scene prompt with all the details. As you can see, we now have visual prompts for each scene in our story. We'll use these to bring our animation to life. Pretty cool, right? But we're not done yet. To start creating the video, we also need a voiceover script for the narration, which we saw here.
on the night of the full moon, when the world is fast asleep, something magical appears. From the heart of the sky, a glowing silver train emerges, riding on invisible stardust tracks. Its windows shimmer with a soft blue light, and at its front, a golden crescent moon.
To generate the script for the voiceover, simply type this prompt into ChatGPT. Now give me the voiceover script for the story. ChatGPT will generate the script, but it might include extra details like settings. To separate those and get only the pure voiceover script, use this prompt, separate other stuff, and just give me the pure voiceover script. And there you have it, the clean voiceover script. Now that we have everything we need, it's time to move on to step 5, which is all about generating the visuals for our story. This is where we bring our scenes to life. We'll use Hailuo AI to turn our prompts into stunning 3D animated visuals. To get started, just click the link in the description, which will take you to the tool. Sign in with your Google account. Click Create and select the text to video option. Copy the prompt you got from ChatGPT and paste it into the tool. Make sure to turn off the auto-refine feature. This prevents any unwanted changes to the characters we set up. Click Generate, and let the tool do its magic. Once the video is ready, let's take a look. Wow, this looks incredible, right? I'm really impressed with the animations. To download the video, simply click here, and it will be saved to your computer. Repeat this process for all the other scenes to complete your animation. Keep in mind, Hailuo AI gives you 1,000 free credits when you sign up. You'll also receive 100 extra credits every day when you log in. These free credits expire in 3 days, so be sure to use them before they run out. Now that we've successfully created the visuals, it's time for the next step, adding the voiceover. Let's move on to step 6. Now that we have our visuals, it's time to add the voiceover. For this, we'll use Filiki AI, a voice generation tool. Here's how to do it. Click the link in the description to access the tool. Click Get Started for free and sign up using your Google account. Once signed in, go to the audio section and select Script to Audio to convert our script into voiceover. Copy the voiceover script from ChatGPT and paste it into the tool. Click Next, customize the settings if needed, and hit Submit. The tool automatically breaks the script into scenes. Delete the first scene, as it only contains the story title and isn't needed. Go to Settings, set the gap between scenes to 0.1 seconds, and click Save. To change the voice, select any scene, click Voiceover, and explore different voice options. I chose Matto, but you can test and pick the one you prefer. Check Apply to all scenes to ensure consistency, then hit Select. If there are lines spoken by children, switch those scenes to a child voice. Remove any empty scenes caused by extra spaces in the script. Once you're done, listen to the final audio to make sure it sounds perfect.
On the night of the full moon, when the world is fast asleep, something magical appears. From the heart of the sky, a glowing silver train emerges, riding on invisible stardust tracks. Its windows shimmer with a soft blue light, and at its front, a golden crescent moon emblem shines brightly.
All aboard the moonlight train.
Inside.
Now to download, click Download, Start Export, Download Audio, and it will be saved to your computer. Now that our voiceover is ready, let's move on to step 7. Which is where we bring everything together, combining the visuals and voiceover to create the final animation. For this step, we'll use CapCut, a simple and powerful editing tool. Open CapCut and click Create a new video. Click Import Media and upload all the visuals and voiceovers you've generated. Drag and drop the visuals onto the timeline, arranging them scene by scene according to your story. Add the voiceover by dragging and dropping it onto the timeline, then align each scene with the correct character voices. To make the video even better, let's add background music. Go to Pixabay, a free music website. In the music section, search for cartoon to find suitable background tracks. Choose the music you like and download it. Head back to CapCut, click Import Media, upload the downloaded music, and add it to your video. Lower the volume and trim any extra parts to fit the video length. Now, let's preview the video.
On the night of the full moon, when the world is fast asleep, something magical appears. From the heart of the sky, a glowing silver train emerges, riding on invisible stardust tracks. Its windows shimmer with a soft blue light, and at its front, a golden crescent moon emblem shines brightly.
All aboard the moonlight train.
Inside, the train is like a dream, seats of velvet blue, floating lanterns, and a glass dome ceiling revealing the endless universe above. But suddenly, crack! The cosmic tracks vanish. The train shakes, lost in deep space.
We have to find a way back.
With her telescope, she spots a distant glowing moon, the key to restoring the lost tracks. Dodging flying meteors, weaving through giant glowing asteroids, and following the lantern's guiding light, the kids work together, rebuilding the silver rails. The train races forward, faster, brighter, until the tracks reappear. The train soars back toward Earth, leaving behind a trail of golden stardust. As it gently lands, the kids step off, watching the magical train fade into the night. But as Milo writes in his notebook,
Until the next full moon.
The background music adds a fun and engaging feel, making the animation more enjoyable. Once you're happy with the edits, click Export to process the video. Then it will download it to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully created a kids' cartoon animation video for free. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.